Dear all, in this session we will discuss about the reorder level and reorder quantity. So in last class we discussed about the various techniques of inventory control, economic order quantity and the problems regarding economic order quantity. Now the fundamental objective or the basic objective of inventory control is to maintain a balance between sufficient stock and excess stock. That means you should not have a stock out, neither you should have excess stock. So you need to maintain a balance between that. That is the fundamental objective of inventory control. So for inventory control, we have certain settings of stocks or inventory levels. So let's see what are the different inventory levels. The first one is reorder level. That means when to order. So when you have a stock and after consuming the stock, definitely that will be the amount will be deteriorating, right? The amount will be reducing. So at some point you have to reorder it again. So when to order, that is called the reorder level. Then comes reorder quantity or EOQ. So reorder quantity is same as economic order quantity. That means how much you should order. Then the next one is maximum stock level. That means up to how much you can stock. That means if you are exceeding that particular level, it will be overstock and then it may cause a lot of carrying cost and other things. Then minimum stock level. Minimum stock level means at least how much to stock. So if you're going down, that means if you're going below this minimum stock, then the material will be out of stock because there won't be any sufficient material. Then comes the average stock level, that is stock normally kept. That is the average level. Then the next one is danger stock level, that is kept for emergency requirement. When there is a sudden requirement, you take it from the danger stock level. Then buffer stock, that is to mitigate certain sudden demands. Okay. Then the last one is reorder stock level, that is it is the level at which fresh order should be placed for replenishment. Again you have to order it. So here you can we can discuss this with the help of a graph. Okay, now this y-axis represents the stock level and x-axis represents time. Okay, so here you have the maximum level, that means up to which the material should be stocked, and then you have the reorder level and minimum level. So for the first time when you're purchasing, the stock will be at its maximum level. After using the material or after consuming, slowly it starts deteriorating. Then material, the amount will start reducing. And at this particular point, that is called the reorder level. That means it shows that at this point you need to order it again. Otherwise, once it is, see, we are consuming it. So after the whole consumption, after the whole thing gets exhausted, then there will be insufficient stock, right? So we won't be able to meet the demand. So at that particular point, when the whole stock is not getting exhausted, at one point you need to reorder the product or material. That is called the reorder level. So as soon as you reorder, you may not get it delivered, right? So for example, if you are ordering something, for example, from the e-commerce platform itself, say Amazon, you're ordering something, you will get the product only after a few days, say 3 to 4 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, whichever time. That particular time wherein, after your order, the time at which you get that product in your hand, that is called the lead time. That means lead time is the delivery time after placing an order. Okay, so this point when you're ordering, again you have not received it, still this is going down. Why it is going down? You're using already what is present in your hand, right? That stock is getting used, and at this point when it reaches the minimum level, so after the lead time, that means you get your product in your hand, and then it is refilled again. So again that stock is going high till the maximum level. Again after using, it is deteriorating, and again you are reordering, it goes down till the minimum level, then again goes up. So the cycle will continue. Okay, so here the terms which you need to know is maximum level. So at first any material will be in its maximum level, then at one point you need to reorder it, and then till you get that particular product or material in your hand, it will take some time, and that time is called lead time. Then after getting that, again it will go high up till the maximum level. So there is one level called the buffer stock. That buffer stock is below the minimum level, and this particular level of stock is to mitigate sudden demand. Okay, when there is an emergency or when there is a sudden demand, you use this buffer stock. So this is all about this stock in inventory control. Okay, then So here again I have explained about the lead time, that is when a product is ordered and the time taken for the delivery of shipment. Again in lead time you have the minimum lead time and maximum lead time. For example, when you order something, that seller will be telling you, you will get this particular product within 3 to 5 days. So that 3 to 5 days, 3 is called the minimum lead and 5 is called the maximum lead time. Okay, and then you have again average lead time, wherein this is the average of these two days. Okay, now how to determine the reorder level? Now there is two formulas which you need to study, that is reorder level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum reorder period, and reorder quantity or EOQ, another formula is maximum level minus reorder level plus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. These two formulas you need to by heart, because normally in order to find the EOQ also, if sometimes the maximum level or reorder level is given, you have to use this formula, not the previous one. Okay, so these two formulas are very, very important. Now we will discuss this with the help of a problem. Now consider this following problem. Following information relates to material X and you have maximum stock level. So the maximum stock level is 9600 units. Then budgeted consumption. The budgeted consumption is given as maximum is 1500 units per month and minimum is 900 units per month. Then you have estimated delivery period as maximum is 4 months and minimum is 2 months. And then you are required to calculate the reorder level and reorder quantity. Okay, so in order to find this particular problem, first what you need to do is you need to write down the formula for this. How do you write down the formula? So the first formula is for reorder level. We have discussed, that is reorder level is maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Now in this question what is given? You are given that you have maximum stock level as 9600 units, then maximum consumption level is given as 1500 units per month. This is per month, and then minimum is given as 900. Again you have estimated delivery period. Here you have to take the maximum reorder period as the estimated delivery period only. Okay, so here the estimated delivery period, the maximum reorder period or estimated delivery period is 4 months and minimum is 2 months. So this is given here. So you have to apply this in this particular formula. So reorder level is equal to maximum consumption is 1500 into reorder period. What is reorder period? Maximum reorder period is 4 months. So into 4. So you get 6000 units. So your reorder level is 6000 units. Okay. Now, so here we have found out reorder level. Now next one is you need to find the reorder quantity, that is EOQ. So reorder quantity, reorder quantity or EOQ. What is the formula for reorder quantity or EOQ? The formula given is maximum level minus reorder level plus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. Right? So this is our formula. Now what is given in the question? Now you have the maximum level, right? Maximum stock level is given as 9600 units. So you can write that reorder quantity is 9600. So what is the formula? Maximum level minus reorder level. Reorder level we found out. What is the reorder level here? We found it out as 6000. So minus reorder level, that is minus 6000. Okay. Then plus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. So what is minimum consumption and minimum reorder period? So here you have to add this with minimum consumption level is 900 units per month. That is 900 into what is minimum reorder period? Minimum is 2 months. So here in this question you are given estimated delivery period. Here you have to assume that the estimated delivery period is equal to reorder period. Okay, that is why you are taking this value here. Okay, so finally you will get the reorder quantity. Answer is here 3600 plus 1800, which is equal to 5400 units. So your question is done. So we found out the reorder quantity as well as reorder level. Reorder level, this is a formula, maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Here again reorder quantity, the formula is maximum consumption minus reorder maximum level, sorry, not maximum consumption, maximum level, that is stock level is given as 9600. Maximum stock level minus reorder level plus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. So you will get as 5,400 units. Okay, so that is it. It's very simple. Only thing is you have to remember these two formulas, and that is it. Okay, hope you understood this. Thank you, students.